6:17 now, and we are just getting started here, Betsy.
Yes, I mean, we have a very, very rapid-fire week coming, and we're going to start it all off with a look at what's the big picture. This is where we left off, right? System 1, System 2, System 3. Tonight, Thursday, and this weekend. Those are the 3 dates that you need to remember. We start with tonight, and over the next few hours, we already have some reports of patchy freezing drizzle happening now. So if you parked your car outside tonight and you're not expected to go out till tomorrow morning, do know that you may have to scrape the ice off the windshield. But overall, the temperatures are actually going to be going up a few degrees, and that patchy freezing drizzle will turn into some flurries. You can't even see all of it on the radar as of yet, but we know it's cold. I mean, our current temperature is 20 right now in Worcester, and with those brisk winds that we are dealing with, we have single-digit wind chills to talk about. All of that is ahead of a front that is dropping in, and that front will start to stir up more flurries than freezing drizzle late tonight, probably after 10 o'clock, after midnight. And we'll have flurries and maybe some patchy freezing drizzle around for the start of the day tomorrow. That will include the morning commute. That will include tomorrow morning's start of the school day. It'll be cold, but again, temperatures will be right around 30, wind chills in the 20s with the patchy flurries coming down. That will all pass through as we get into the afternoon, and I think we're going to get to see some peaks of sunshine, but note that the winds come around to the north and the temperatures are significantly colder, which would lead us to then back to our timeline. We have tonight that patchy freezing drizzle and the flurries. Then as we get into Thursday, after a cloudy Wednesday, Wednesday's nothing, right? Then Thursday, snow develops with 1 to 3 inches of snow falling across the area. Then we're also going to look ahead to the Saturday and Sunday, which is when the heavy snow potential is greatest, and then into Monday when we have frigid air that's coming back into northern Ohio. So there's system number 1. That's the front that's dropping in tonight. System number 2 arrives Thursday. It's sitting out here in the Four Corners region. It's pretty far away still. There's a lot of details to be spelled out, but here's the way this is expected to go. Picking up at noon tomorrow, you can see the storm developing through the Central Plains. So by tomorrow morning, Thursday morning at 8 a.m., we'll have snow starting to skim the western edges of Ohio. It spreads northward into northeast Ohio through the afternoon and evening. So afternoon and evening Thursday, that's when this 1 to 3 inches of snow spreads across the area. By Thursday night into Friday, that is out of here, and that's when we begin to prepare for this. Storm number 3. Thousands of miles away. I can't even tell you how important that is. There is so many details that have to be worked out by this. But we go back to our forecast models, and the one we're relying on today is the 9-kilometer European, for those of you weather weenies along with me. You can see in Arkansas, there's our low, and the snow will spread across northeast Ohio, especially Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and Saturday night. We're talking the potential for heavy snow. This is not lake effect. This is every single one of us getting in on this. If there's any mixing, that's going to bring down the snow accumulations, but that snow is expected to continue into early Sunday and not really back off until late Sunday, just in time to get the lake effect fired up. How much snow is coming? I'm not even going to try and show you any kind of accumulations because the storm isn't even on land, number 1, and number 2, a slight adjustment in the track will be huge as far as adjusting those snow accumulations, but we will say this. It looks like it could be significant on the current track. Universal Windows Direct forecast has us in the 30s for the next couple days. Don't forget that 1 to 3 inches of snow Thursday, Friday, easy peasy. And then we keep an eye on things for Saturday. Frigid air returns by early next week. Jimmy's up next with sports.